Hello, it's Richard Herdman on the 2nd of April 2017 in Airdrie, Alberta, down at the Nose Creek. The Nose Creek off-leash dog park. And you'll notice here that the gate's not closing too well, and we don't have signs that tell the public to keep the gate closed. But going back to 28th of January 2015, my wife and I sued Her Majesty in small claims court because our dogs got out of the off-leash park at Kingsway Dog Park. And the city refused to fix the property, and the peace officer issued my wife a ticket that they refused to withdraw. They eventually lost that matter in a court of law. The negligence is established in common law, also under the Bylaw 1001, that says no person or corporation shall cause a gate to be left open to cause these dogs to go off leash onto the highway or in the back the railroad tracks. And we see the city is still steadfastly negligent in not putting the steel signs on that say keep the gates closed. Now, at some point in time, I came down here and I wrote a note on the sign here advising, come here Lex, advising the city of their responsibilities, and also the fact that the lawsuit was withdrawn, discussed with the judge, a settlement for $155, and so I let them know with a note, just put a little note here in writing by pen, leaving my name, and the RCMP ended up threatening to charge me with mischief. So that would have been the city telephoning the RCMP. Is that mischief? Trying to save dogs? Marking on pen. I'll let you decide. But maybe a note stapled to the wood here would have been more appropriate. But the public does know my intent is to save dogs' lives and to save people's lives down here by keeping their gates closed, keep them locked, but also putting signs up. So in the future, City of Airdrie, when you're negligent and irresponsible, I'll staple a sign here on the wood, and I won't write on the plastic, okay? And I'm sorry for writing on the plastic. Thank you. Richard Herdman, candidate for mayor, 16th of October 2017, making the city responsible for keeping the public facilities up to par. And Richard Herdman taking the time to go to City Council, write letters, to sue Her Majesty, to force the city into a position to fix its property and keep the property fixed. So that coochie coochie coo, coochie coochie coo, coochie coochie coo, coochie coochie coo, so that our dogs can be safe. Yes, vote Herdman, mayor, for responsibility, getting things done.